In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a signature and add a new one on Docusign. Whether you've recently changed your signature or you're setting things up for the first time, these instructions will guide you through the process confidently and clearly. Let's dive straight into the steps. First, open your web browser of choice and head over to the Docusign website. Docusign is the leader in electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management, making it a reliable choice for your digital signing needs. Once there, look for the Login button, typically found at the top right corner of the home page, and give it a click. Enter your login credentials and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the Docusign home page. Here, you want to navigate to your profile. This is usually represented by a small icon or your profile picture at the upper right corner of the screen. Click on that and select Manage Profile from the drop-down menu. This is where you can manage different aspects of your Docusign account, including your signatures. Next, you'll need to find and click on the Signatures option within your profile settings. This is the section of the site where all your signature-related actions take place, from managing existing signatures to creating new ones. In this section, you'll see a list of your saved signatures. What you'll do here is locate the signature you wish to delete. You'll see an Actions button next to each signature. Click on Actions and then select Delete. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm that you want to permanently delete this signature from your Docusign account. Go ahead and confirm your choice. This action cannot be undone, so make sure it's the signature you intend to remove. Now that you've deleted the unwanted signature, let's move on to adding a new one. Stay on the same page and locate the Add Signature button. When you click on it, a window will open allowing you to create your new signature. You'll have the option to draw your signature using your mouse or a touchpad, type it, or even upload an image of your signature that you've scanned. Once you've created or chosen your new signature, click on the Create button to finalize the process. This new signature will now be saved to your Docusign account and will be available for use in all your documents straight away. And there you have it. Deleting an existing signature and creating a new one in Docusign is a seamless process when you know exactly where to go and what to do. Now you're all set to manage your digital signatures with ease. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to revisit this tutorial whenever you need a refresher.